Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter no battery detected message, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first solution is to make sure that your PC is cooled down. That is, you need to be in a very in a somewhat cool environment, and you need to make sure that the PC is on a stable surface, a hard surface, so that there's enough gap for the cooling to occur. And also you need to make sure that the cooling vents or the grills under the fans are clear of any dust or debris. And then we need to restart the computer. This error sometimes disappears after you restart the computer, but if these two solutions don't work, that means it's a software issue and we need to get to work on it. So the first thing we will do is we will right click on the start button, go to device manager, and then we will expand batteries here. Right click on this, go to properties, and check if this device is working properly. Message is here. If you get an error message, that means there's some issue and you need to contact the manufacturer to either replace the batteries or look for whether there's any loose connection or something like that. Look for properties here and you see that this device is working properly. Okay, fine. Then now what we will do is we'll right click on it and we'll click on disable device. And then once we click on disable device, we will again click on enable device. Do the same thing here, click on disable device and then click on enable device, and it should start working. I mean, the no battery detected a message should disappear, but if it doesn't, then another option is to uninstall the device and then click on action, scan for hardware changes after we click on batteries. And the second thing is same thing, uninstall device, go to batteries and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Another thing we need to do is also run the Windows update. So right click on the start bar, go to settings, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. And while that is running, we'll go to advanced options, we'll go to optional updates, and then we will install any update and install any driver updates here. We can also run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So for that, we'll click the Windows and the R button and we will type the line msdt.exe space -id space DEVICE and click on OK. And then we will click on next, and this hardware troubleshooter will run and fix any hardware or device errors that are there on the system. Now the last solution is to update the BIOS. So for that we will look for the relevant BIOS update. So I have an Asus laptop E1504FA BIOS update. So how do I get the model number? I just look at the bottom of the laptop. There's a sticker on the bottom of the laptop where your model number is written. So you just have to search for the BIOS update for that particular model. Go there on the link of the manufacturer and then click on BIOS and firmware and click on BIOS update for Windows. If you want to do the flash way, you can do that, but it's a little bit more complicated. You have to download the software on the USB and then flash it after you shut down the computer and restart it. But here this is very easy. Just download this and then once it is downloaded, open the folder, right click on the installer, click on run as administrator, and it should update the BIOS for you. Then just restart the computer by pressing the Windows button, the power button and the restart button, and you should no longer see this no battery detected error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.